Okay, I bought this a while ago. It's a jump starter. Okay, this was a good one. I didn't check the reviews a lot, and I should have, because I had it a while, but then one day the light came on and never went off. So I charge it, and like I charged it today, it was at 12.8, and right now it's 12.1. Because with this battery, with this light staying on 24 hours a day, it just keeps draining it. So the last time I went to use it, it was like at 11.1, and it was still enough to start the vehicle, but you know, this is crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and take it apart and see if I can at least eliminate that light so that it stops draining the battery. Well, let's get these cables out of the way. I love the screwdriver. The screwdriver will be down in the description. Okay. Okay, well, all there is, there's a little wire here. Can you see it? This little wire here. I'm gonna unplug it. Turned off my lights. All right, well, I'm gonna plug her back in and try and charge it up and see if it keeps the charge. Okay, I'm gonna charge it. It's at 12.1, okay? Now, when I go to charge this, it'll usually go to 12.7, 12.8. Ideally, it should be 12.9, but we're gonna see where it gets us. And then we're gonna check and see if it drops down. This dropped down to 12.1 within 2 hours. Well, maybe a little bit longer than 2 hours. But I had charged it this morning because I knew my neighbor needed a jump, and it got up to 12.8, and then they asked me if I could charge their battery rather than jump it. So what I did was I charged the battery, and I brought this in and decided I was going to work on the light. And when I went to check it, it went from 12.8 to 12.1. It shouldn't drop that fast, but with the light on all the time, it's going to drop. All right. Okay. Now it's fully charged. It's 13.2. Okay. Well, I'm going to now let it sit overnight, and we'll check it tomorrow morning and see if it's dropped or how much. Now, since I've shut off the light, it should stay, but we'll see. Okay. I let it sit overnight. I got up this morning and checked it about 6 o'clock in the morning. It was at 12.8, which is a fully charged battery. I know it was over 13 after I unplugged it yesterday, but that's right after it was charged, so it was probably still hot. Now, this has been another 5 hours later after this morning, and it's still 12.8. So it's staying fully charged. It was a quick and easy fix. So if your JNC 7700R jump box battery light is staying on, that's an easy fix. Okay? Video, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Really helps the channel. See you on the next one.